Hey humans. So last time in the first video, we looked at how to calculate the average of the data by adding up all the numbers first, using some parentheses, and then dividing by the number of measurements. We left starting to use the second method, which is the formula method, right? So we typed equals, and then we started typing average. We picked this plain average because that's what we want here. And then we highlighted the data just like before in order to tell the computer tell Google Sheets what numbers we want the average of. So now I just need to finish this formula. To do that, I'm going to close the parentheses. So I've got an open parentheses here. I'm going to close the parentheses here. I'm going to type Shift 0. It's going to close the parentheses. You can look down here and see that that's the same format, right? The numbers are different because this data is in this row 3, but the format's the same of the formula. Equals, average, parentheses, the data I need, close the parentheses. Then I'm going to hit enter. So again, that's a logical average. Most of my data is between 1 and 2. And my average is somewhere between 1 and 2, which is what I would expect. It's not 15 like it was the first time when I had an error. So one of the nice things about formula is that you're less likely to have an error because you're not actually having to worry about adding up all the numbers and then putting in parentheses and then dividing by how many values there are. That is a reason to use a formula instead of either your calculator or another, actually doing it like you would on a calculator in Google Sheets. I have one more calculation. I'm going to do it real quick. I need to calculate the last standard deviation. So I'm going to type equals, and then it's actually bringing me up a suggestion list here. I'm going to pick on it, right? I need stdev, and it's already highlighted the data I need. So I'm going to choose equals stdev for D3 to M3. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so that's how you calculate the average and standard deviation of a data set using Google Sheets.